Excuse me.
Hello, sir. May I help you?
Yes, can I see that shirt on the top shelf, please? How much does it cost?
$50.
$50? That's too much.
How about this one? It's on sale for only $35.
I don't like that one.
How about the one next to the black gloves? It's very similar to the one you like.
That's nice. How much is it?
$30.
That will be fine.
Is this color okay? Or would you like a different color?
That blue one's fine.
Do you need any more of these shirts? How many do you want?
I'll take 2 more, a red one and a white one.